It's sausage time! Alright, let's get this going. Get a flame going here. Now, frying pan over. Open the fridge and grab your sausages. Today we're going to fry up some maple sausage. Alright, so the pan's like nice and hot, so I'm just going to plop them in here. And these are maple sausage. Oh, it smelled good already. So, yeah. We'll get the sausage on the go. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make some pancakes. So stay tuned for that part. Okay, so now while the sausages are still cooking, I'm just going to add, I don't have any oil right now, so I'm just going to add some hot butter. I'm doing a double batch of pancakes, so this is about 4 tablespoons of butter. Alrighty. Then, we have some milk in here, and we have some egg. And then here we have our flour, our baking powder, salt. Oh yeah, add a little bit of vanilla to this. So what we do is we just make a well in the middle of the dry, and then we add the wet ingredients in. Then we just kind of, you want to stir it around, but it's still going to be a little lumpy. Alright, so the pan's nice and hot. We got our batter ready. The sausages are out. And actually what I'm doing is just using the fat from the bacon grease. Not the bacon grease, sorry, the sausages for the pancakes. Yum, yum, yum. We got sausages. We got pancakes coming.